Hi, everybody. I certainly do believe in the at the core foundation of humanity, the goodness of people. And so I'm gonna play a little harmonica plus record this. I already recorded some of it. I'm gonna record it again with maybe more emphatic read through. And I've got much more that I've added to it, so. And this, it has no title. It will light and dark, I called it. In the beginning. So, preface. Baptismal incongruations, shadowed, sheltered from harm, and quietly sought the unmidwifable intuitions, ill-conceiving what would have, many times and places, awoke to their surroundings a melodious woven inroads of hymnaled hallway, harboring string of pearl, yet more sacred, to becoming light and dark's knowing threads. In New Song Trilogy, concerning each to be more so likened to the well-sprung contingencies with unmirrorable triads of tangible, nituated slumbers, where toward and back from ebbing waves of braided pulse transubstantiated ascents, stairwelled, jurisprudenced, and lined palm of hand, shadowing with form shaped not from matter, the matriarchal dust motes shot through by beams of light, salted and peppered, walking back and forth the ancient clays of earth, empowered somehow with sensory perception. Introduction. The eyes and ears of most could see and hear, but not yet perceive, states of being encyclopedically defined beyond the scope of the words that gave them generic meaning. In other words, his time had not yet come, and certainty was not yet given from above, although each sentence of literary weight carries within its womb all that preceded its coming to light. The concept of boundary is essential to creating objective personage through limitation of space and partially time, and without boundaries, ability to define all that the world contains, the trespass of ownership would not become a violation of one of the first 10 laws essential to the archetypal human moral compass. It is this basic truth whose partial in antithesis with the law of generosity toward those whose material poverty forces upon their survival the need of spiritually governed sacredness, of all that is at the core of Christianity that leaves through truths irreconcilable with ambiguity of humanity's ability to overcome personal greed for the sake of another's well-being, that weighs human survival in the balance, the outcome of which, by the Father's arbitrary rule, always ensures human survival. When humanity itself reaches a level of insubordinate cruelty, selfishness, and immaturity of actions that threaten the continuation of its own continued survival, severe measures are taken by the universality of justice that is much stronger than all forms of evil combined. And when certain levels of neo-barbarism are engulfing humanity in flame. Swift and certain measures of arbitrary justice are taken. I have to see how much. Okay, now we're going to start on the next part.